Hey everyone, it's Natasha Hamilton with eXp Realty, your York Region and GTA luxury real estate expert, and welcome to my King City market update for October 2025. So whether you're thinking of buying or selling or just watching the market, this update will give you real data, local insights, and my professional breakdown of what's really happening right now in King City. So the market snapshot. So King City is currently sitting in a buyer's market, meaning purchasers have more negotiating power than we've ever seen in years. So we're seeing elevated inventory, longer selling timelines, and plenty of opportunity for well-prepared buyers to make strategic moves. But, and this is key, I have to stress this window won't last forever. So once supply tightens up again, the balance will shift quickly. Medium home price. So the medium home price in King City sits around $2,042,500, which is down 3.3% from last year. But don't worry, it's not a crash. It's a healthy market adjustment, especially in the luxury space. So buyers now have real room to negotiate, while luxury rural estates are still showing steady demand and even pockets of growth. So pricing compared to York Region. So across York Region, some communities saw price drops close to around 20%, but King City held strong. Why? Because of wealth installation. So high net worth buyers are still active and the luxury segment is less sensitive to short-term market noise. So King City continues to outperform its neighbors. It's the resilient pocket of the region, to be honest. Inventory and supply dynamics. So right now, King City has between 241 and 275 active listings, which is higher than the usual supply level. So that's giving buyers more options and longer decision timelines and better negotiating positions. For sellers, on the other hand, this means you must stand out. Presentation, pricing, and marketing are everything right now. So average days on market. So the average home in King City is now taking around 97 days to sell compared to about the 72 days across York Region last month. So buyers are being patient and they're doing their homework. So sellers, this is what I call a patience plus strategy market. Sophisticated positioning always wins. Sale to list ratio. So King City's sale to list ratio is sitting around 94%, meaning most buyers are negotiating roughly 5 to 6% off asking. So if you price correctly from the start, you'll protect your equity and sell faster. That's the difference between a sold sign and a stale listing. Okay, so new listing pace. So we've had about 61 new listings in just the past 2 months. So a steady supply entering the market. So that tells me sellers are testing recovery conditions and gauging buyer confidence. For buyers, that means choice. For sellers, it means your home must shine no matter what. Interest rate environment. So the Bank of Canada has dropped its rate again to 2.25%, with mortgage rates now around 3.45 to 3.69%. So we're finally seeing that rate relief, and that's going to bring buyers back, which is good. So early movers are locking in great rates and top tier listings before competition really heats up. So market psychology. So let's talk about buyers and sellers' behaviors. So buyers are cautious but confident. They expect discounts, they're informed, they know their leverage, and sellers who are serious and realistic are still closing strong deals. So, unrealistic pricing, those listings are sitting. Future supply warning. So, this is big, I can't stress this enough. Across the GTA, and over 1.2 million homes are stalled in development, with 2,200 projects currently on hold. That's a massive supply issue waiting to hit the market. So right now, yes, it's a buyer's market, but long term, this will flip. It will never stay the same. So strategic buyers are acting now to buy low and benefit later. Strategic insights for buyers and sellers. So what does this all mean for you? I know it's a lot. So for buyers, you have leverage today. That won't last. So lock in pricing while the inventory is high and rates are low. For sellers, you don't want to test the market. Accuracy, presentation, and marketing matter more than ever. I can't stress that enough. So for my Smart Investor Playbook for investors, this is your playbook. So accurate premium assets during softer cycles, focus on location, privacy, land, not the hype. Watch for opportunities in mid-tier markets and combine easing rates with the upcoming supply crunch. So this is a classic buy the dip and hold through the cycle market kind of thing. Now the ultra luxury market, everybody's favorite. So now the ultra luxury level, King City remains solid. The highest end properties continue to attract serious buyers who value land, privacy, prestige. These homes are viewed as wealth preservation assets and not speculative flips, to be honest. So why buyers love King City? So King City isn't just an investment, it's a lifestyle. Large lots, peace, privacy, elite schools, from Rock City to Toronto. Like it's no wonder this community remains one of the GTA's most desirable. People move here for quality of life, not just the rate on investment. So the bottom line or the key takeaways are that buyers have leverage now, but it's temporary, so don't think it's going to stay. Sellers must execute with precision, staging, pricing right, all that. Lower rates will fuel competition soon, and supply constraints guarantee long-term stability. And finally, data beats emotion and make your move strategic. So personalized marketing plan. So I offer a full strategic support for buyers, sellers, and investors, from home value analysts to marketing plans to negotiating strategies. I give it all to you. If you'd like your own personalized King City marketing plan, just message me, send me a DM, text, call, email me directly. All my info is on the next slide here, and let's plan your move with confidence. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'm Natasha Hamilton with eXp Realty. My contact information is here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for weekly York Region updates and insider real estate insights. And I'll see you in the next market update.